Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and here we are another day. If you're new, my name is Alma and I create beauty makeup looks. I love doing everything makeup, fashion. I love it. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And here is my look today. I hope you like it. If you like to see how I did it, please stay tuned and watch the rest of my video. Thank you so much. Welcome. Have a good day, everybody. Okay, everybody, welcome. And here we go. I'm using the Pride When Wild palette, of course, because I want to, because it's summer and the colors are super cute and vibrant. And I'm gonna do a simple lid look because I'm gonna be using this color. So let's go in. My lids are prepped. My face has the foundation and everything on. So, oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I am using this primer and I'm shocked. Like, it's working really good. And the reason why I got this, it's because I wanted to try it and it's liquidy. Also because I have like little patches of dryness that ends up, like, especially around here, that ends up like flaking off at the end of the, like towards the end of my shift at work, and I'm like, why? So I also have this one by Milani, and yes, this was cool, but I wanted to try something more like serum, you know. I felt like that one wasn't moisturizing my face correctly. So I'm like, why don't I just try a serum and see how that works? Because I'm telling you, my face is weird. It's like combination oily. Like, yes, I'll get super oily at the end of the day, but then I get these little dry patches where I'm like, what the hell is this? You know, like I'm eating and I'm wiping my lips off or something, and then all these little flakes. It's so weird. But anyways, let's go in. I'm gonna use this color. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it very, very simple because the lips are gonna be super vibrant. Okay, with this brush, I am going to go in with this one, just because it looks like it's a really good transition color on your crease. The wrong color. I dipped my brush in the orange one. Oops. Okay, so. Okay, check it out. I'm using from this contour palette by e.l.f. I'm using this color right here, the lighter brown. And I'm just placing it on my outer V. And I'm using the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. Just a little bit. I don't know. In order for me not to like have my mouth open when I'm like doing this, I just pucker. Okay, now I'm gonna be going in with a darker brown and place it on outer V again on top of that other lighter brown. Lily is running back and forth grabbing snacks and watching a show and grabbing snacks. She's funny. Okay, so there we go. There we go. Perfect. And now I'm gonna get this gold color, this beautiful gold. I'm gonna get this flat brush. And then I'm gonna get this concealer by Maybelline. It's 150, that's the shade. And I'm gonna put it right here, kind of like a cut crease. get some more. This is just like a flat, this is from Morphe M167. M167. Oh, I put too much right there. Oh, it's too much. Too much. I'm gonna flip the brush over just because it's too much. I don't need that much. It's just a tad bit, like a touch of concealer. Like that. This shader brush is a small little brush like this. It's by Real Techniques. I'm gonna grab some of that gold and place it all over my lid. You see that? You gotta be able to see that. Impossible not to see it. Okay, so there are the lids. Like a gold, peach gold, brown. Okay, so now I will put my eyebrows on. Sounds weird. I'm gonna put my eyebrows on. I'm gonna fill in my brows, and I'm using this Maybelline Express Brow in the color Deep Brown. Be right back. Okay, so I am done with my brows. Sorry. I'm done with my brows. And I did my mascara. I'm using the mascara I'm using is this one, and I actually like it still. It's by Maybelline. And I'm gonna use this by Maybelline as a concealer under my eyes. My baby likes this concealer because I guess, you know, when you turn it, it clicks. Yeah, she'd be using it, and I'm like, no. She already ruined one. It was already half ruined. I'm like, oh, just keep it. And I ended up having to get another one because, yeah. This is by e.l.f. I like it. You can get right in there. Okay, so I set my concealer with this Laura Mercier. I know this is all drugstore, but I don't have my other thing for my whatever. So I'm gonna contour using this and using my favorite beautiful little brush by Real Techniques. So I'm gonna get this fluffy brush. This is by Real Techniques. It's a blush brush. But you know what? I'm gonna use it to take this off. Oh. And for blush, yes, I'm going back in with the same blush that I've been using. It's Pearlescent Pink by Wet n Wild. And we're gonna use this brush right here. It's an angled blush brush. This one's by MAC. Damn, I had this brush for a long, long time. Damn, it's so faded. I don't know if you can see the MAC. It says right there, MAC 1 something. I can't even read the rest. Any angled blush brush will work. I'm gonna take off that gloss. Yes, my little minutes. I'm almost done. Blush brush. I know. And here we go. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful vibrant. It's called Fuchsia For Me by Maybelline. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Look, little mermaids, do you like my lips? Look. Wow. Okay, let me put my hair down because this is how I'm gonna be today with my hair down. All wild and stuff. My wild wavy hair. Okay. There it is. There's my finished look. Oh yeah. It's not finished if you don't set it with this NYX matte finish. Woo. I feel like I look too white, or I don't know. Let me put some more bronzer here. Or maybe that's just my skin, I don't know. Okay, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I enjoyed filming it and creating it. I don't know which way to wear my hair, but anyways, I feel like this will do. Okay, so you got the vibrant fuchsia pink color on your lips, and then you got the gold and peach on your eyes. I decided not to do my, you know, my lashes today because I feel like my own look very good already. And then this mascara is awesome. I like it so much. I like how it builds up and you can keep building it until it's at the consistency and volume that you want. I'm sorry, I'm like, bleh, I'm all over the place today. But yeah, I hope you guys like my video. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody that has subscribed, thank you so much. If you haven't already, please do so. And thank you. Give me a like if you like my look. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.